Okay friends, so let's see the question number 7 of the same exercise 13.3. In this it is given a Joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone of base radius 7 cm and height 24 cm. Base radius is given 7 cm and height h is given 24 cm. Find the cost of sheet required to make 10 such caps. Means we have to find out the cost of sheet to make 10 caps. पहले तो हम 1 cap का required sheet find करेंगे. After that we need to multiply it by 10. So we can get the cost, that area of sheet required. Find the area of sheet required to make 10 such caps. Okay. So to find the area of sheet required for 1 cap, we need to find out its chord surface area. And to find its chord surface area, we should have the slant height. As in this, it is given that for the solution of this question, its height is given, radius of base r is equals to 7 cm and its height is given 24 cm, right? So let's find its slant height L. As we know that the formula slant height L is equals to, since L square is equals to h square plus r square. So height is 24 plus radius is 7. So it is equals to 576 plus this is 49. After adding, we will get 625 is the value of L square. So as L square is 625, so L is equals to under root 625, which is 25 centimeter, is the slant height of this circular, right circular cone. So after getting it, we have to find out the area of sheet required for 1 cap. Therefore, area of sheet required for one cap is equals to chord surface area of cap. Chord surface area means pi r into L. So let's substitute the values. Pi is 22 upon 7. Radius is 7 centimeter and slant height is 25 centimeter. So 7 is cancelled. We got 22 multiplied by 25 centimeter square. Multiply 25 to the 50, 25 to the 50 plus 5, 55. 550 centimeter square is the area of sheet required for 1 cap. But here the question is asking area of sheet required for 10 such caps. So therefore area of sheet required for 10 caps is equals to area of sheet required for 1 cap, which is 550 multiplied by 10 centimeter square, that is equals to 5500 centimeter square is our required answer. So right friends, therefore for the answer we need to write down what was, find the area of sheet required for 10 caps is equals to, so area of sheet for 10 caps is 5,500 centimeter square is our required answer. Right friends? So in this what we have done, first of all we have to find out the measure of L. L की वैल्यू क्यों फाइंड किया? L की वैल्यू इसलिए फाइंड किया क्योंकि हम जब तक हमारे पास L की वैल्यू नहीं रहेगी तब तक हम इस कैप का कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया नहीं फाइंड कर सकते. और कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ही क्या है? रिक्वायर्ड एरिया ऑफ द शीट फॉर वन कैप. So after getting the value of L, which is 25 centimeter, then we have find the area of sheet required for one cap. That is the curved surface area of the cap, which is pi r into L. So after substituting, we will get 550 centimeter square is the area of sheet for one cap. But in the question it was asking area of sheet for 10 such caps. So हमने क्या किया? इसमें 10 से multiply कर दिया and we got our answer. Area of sheet for 10 caps is equals to 5,500 centimeter square. Right friends? Any confusion? So please and please, once again I am saying, so area of 10 such caps is equals to 5,500 centimeter square. What I was saying, मैं ये फिर से बोल रहा हूँ, अगर आपको किसी भी स्टेप में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होती है, आपको कहीं भी किसी भी स्टेप्स में अगर प्रॉब्लम होती है, यू कैन मेंशन दैट स्टेप एंड आस्क द क्वेश्चन. राइट? सो डियर फ्रेंड्स, वंस अगेन वन रिक्वेस्ट फ्रॉम यू ऑल, अगर आप लोग हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए हों तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करो एंड यू हैव टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन सो दैट you will get the latest updates for the latest videos. Okay friends, so let's see the question number 8 of this exercise 13.3. A bus stop is barricaded by remaining part of the road. It is barricaded for remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cones made by recycled cardboard. Right? So each cone has a base diameter is 40 centimeter and height is 1 meter. As the information is given for the cone in the solution of this, cone has base diameter is 40 centimeter. Diameter is 40 centimeter. So but obvious radius will be 20 centimeter and this radius is in centimeter is given. We need to write it into meter. That can be written as 0.2 meter by dividing it by 100, because 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So 20 centimeter is 0.2 meter. Base radius is 0.2 meter and height is given 1 meter and its height is given 1 meter. So first of all, let's find its slant height. Why? Because it is given the outer side of each cone is to be painted. Outer side means curved surface is going to be painted, and curved surface is going to be painted. We can find the curved surface only and only when we will have slant height. That's why it is required to find out the measure of slant height. So let's find its slant height. As we know that the formula L square is equals to h square plus r square. Substitute the value. H is 1 square plus radius is 0.2 square. So that is equals to 1 plus 0.04. That is equals to 1.04. So L is equals to under root 1.04, which is equals to, which is given there in the question, the value of 1 under root 1.04 is equals to 1.02 meter is the measure of slant height of this barricaded cone. So now as slant height is 1.02 meter. Now we need to find out the curved surface area of one cone. So the curved surface area of one cone, and this why curved surface you are finding, because this curved surface is going to be painted. This curved surface is going to be painted. There are 50 cones from which the road is barricaded. So first of all we need to find out the painting area, that chord surface area of the cone. So the chord surface area of one cone is equals to, therefore chord surface area of one cone is equals to pi r into L, right? Now substitute the value. Pi is 3.14, radius is 0.2, and slant height is 1.02 meter square. This is the chord surface area of one cone. So let's multiply it. It will be equals to 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, and 2 3s are 6, means 0.628 multiplied by 1.02 मीटर स्क्वायर. इसको भी मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. 0.628 multiplied by 1.02. 2 8 जा 16, 2 2 जा 4 1 5, 2 6 जा 12, 0, 2 8 जा 1 8 जा 8, 1 2 जा 2, 1 6 जा. So 6 5 10 3 1 4, and so we got 0. After 5 digit decimal will be, so 0.64056 meter square is the area of chord surface area of one cone. So after getting the chord surface area of one cone, as for barricaded it is used 50 hollow cones. So we need to find out the surface area which is going to be painted of 50 hollow cones. So the chord surface area of 50 hollow cones is equals to, therefore chord surface area of 50 cones is equals to 50 multiplied by 0.64056 meter square. Now we have to multiply it. This will be equals to, this will be equals to 5 multiplied by 6.4056 meter square. Now multiply it by 5. So 5 6 are 30, 5 5 are 25, plus 3 28, 5 0 are 0, 2, 5 4 are 20, 5 6 are 30, plus 2 32, means 32.0280 meter square is the surface area which is going to be painted. Total surface area is going to be painted. Now the question is asking, if the outer side of each cone is going to be painted, this is at the rate of 12 rupees per meter square, what will be the cost of painting of these cones? So this is the area, therefore the total surface area is going to be painted. Total surface area is to be painted is equals to 32.0280 meter square. Now the rate of painting, the rate of cost of painting at the rate of rupees 12 per meter square. So cost of painting is equals to cost of painting is equals to this multiplied by rupees 12. Why? Because the rate of painting is rupees 12 per meter square of 1 meter square. So it is equals to rupees 12 multiplied by 32.028 meter square. So let's multiply it. Rupees by 12, 12 8s are 96, carry 9, 12 2s are 24, plus 9 is 33, carry 3, 12 zeros are 0, 3, 12 2s are 24, carry 2, 12 3s are 36, plus 2 is 38, means 300 rupees 384.336, that can be written as rupees 384.34. Therefore, to write the answer of this question, so the total cost of painting the cones, cost of painting barricaded cones is rupees 384.34. So friends, in this question you have to be careful. करना क्या है और दिया क्या गया है. पहले तो क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से पढ़ोगे, मीन्स द इंफॉर्मेशन विच इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, दिस वी हैव टू रिकॉग्नाइज. क्या दिया है कि अ बस स्टॉप इज गोइंग टू बी बैरिकेटेड. बस स्टॉप को बैरिकेड करते जिससे कि ट्रैफिक रेगुलेशन में प्रॉब्लम ना हो. और वो बैरिकेटेड कैसे किया गया, किससे किया गया? इट इज बैरिकेटेड बाय 50 hollow cones made by recycled cardboard. 50 hollow cones से हमें इसे barricade करना है. So each cone has the base diameter is 40 centimeter and height is 1 meter. As base diameter was given 40 centimeter, so radius becomes 20 centimeter. Why? Because radius is half of the diameter. Now this 20 centimeter is converted into the meter by dividing it by 100, because 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So we got 0.2 meter. इसको मीटर में कन्वर्ट कर लिया and height was given 1 meter. After that we need to find out its slant height, which is equals to 1.02 meter. After getting the measure of slant height, हम एक hollow cone का कर्ड सरफेस एरिया फाइंड कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि उस कोन के कर्ड सरफेस एरिया को ही पेंट करना है. सो टू फाइंड द कर्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ कोन इज बाय द फॉर्मूला पाई आर इंटू एल. पाई इज 3.14, रेडियस इज 0.2 एंड स्लैंट हाइट इज 1.02 मीटर स्क्वायर. इसको कैलकुलेट किया, सो वी गॉट 0.64056 मीटर स्क्वायर इज द एरिया टू बी पेंटेड ऑफ वन कोन. अभी ये 1 कोन का एरिया आया. यू हैव 50 होलो कोन्स, सो टू फाइंड द कर्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ 50 कोन्स, इसको 50 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. सो वी विल गेट 32.0280 मीटर स्क्वायर इज द सरफेस एरिया इज टू बी पेंटेड ऑफ 50 कोन्स. नाउ this is the total surface area is to be painted is this meter square. Now rate of painting is given rupees 12 पर मीटर स्क्वायर. 1 मीटर स्क्वायर का 12 रुपीज़ पे करना था. सो फॉर दिस मीटर स्क्वायर वी नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई इट. सो वी विल गेट रुपीज़ 384.34 rupees is the total cost of painting this barricaded cones. Right friends? Any problem if you are facing, so please contact.